Morning, Miss.
Morning, Miss.
Okay, we will start a teacher evaluation, and the first subject is about science. Please explain the homework first.
Yes, science number one, part A, it's about true and false. Number one, material that are not attracted by a magnet is called non-magnetic material. The answer is true. Number two, materials that are attracted by a magnet is called magnetic material. The answer is true. Number three, attract is when we push something away. The answer is false. Number four, repel is when we pull something closer. The answer is false. And number five, an object that can pull and push some objects is called magnet. The answer is true. Now in part B, the short answer question based on the answer that we have provided. Number one, what can magnets do? The answer is magnets can attract or push away other objects. Number two, how many types of magnets? The answer is there are 6 types of magnets. Number three, what are some examples of magnetic materials? The answer is the examples of magnetic materials are metals like steel and iron. Number four, what happens when a magnet is brought close to iron nails? Sorry.
Okay, I think you can answer
The,
without see that, Miss. I think you can answer without see the short answer.
I'm sorry. Number four, the magnet attract the iron nails. And the last, which objects can a magnet attract? A plastic toys or paper clip? The answer that magnet can attract is plastic toys.
Okay.
Sorry, paper clips.
From the book, Miss. Many objects around us make use of magnet to make them work. Magnet can help to keep bags and wallets closed.
Yes.
Okay, how else are magnets useful to us?
Sorry, Miss.
How else are magnets useful to us?
Oh, the useful of magnet.
Yes.
Besides that, we use magnet in our bags or our wallets. We can also use magnets like in the refrigerator or in electronic things. Like when we use our refrigerator, why do we don't have to push it very like hard, because the refrigerator consists of magnet inside, so it helps us when we use the refrigerator. We don't have to close it very hard because the magnet can attract the door of the refrigerator, so it can help us to make the refrigerator close tightly. So it is one kind of the useful of the magnets around us that we see every day in our daily, because I'm sure like people use refrigerator beside use wallet and use bags, they use the refrigerator.
Okay, Miss. So if it is a refrigerator, do you think that the magnet is so there are two sides, right?
Yeah,
Two
two
sides, one
poles,
for the door
north
and then
and
one for the
Yes.
the refrigerator. Do you think all the side is made of magnet or one magnet, one iron?
Both of them made of magnet, of course. So
Okay.
yes, but in different poles.
Okay.
Yes, right. Because if one is made of magnet and one is not made of magnet, how can they attract each other? Both of them made of magnet, but this maybe the first side, like for the north pole, and the other side is the south pole. That's why they can attract. But if they cannot attract each other, it means the pole same like south and south, it means they will repel each other. So for the specifically for refrigerator, of course both of the side made of magnet, but how do they put the side, the poles of the magnet to make the door attract each other?
Okay, Miss. Now please explain format.
Math homework.
For part B, Miss.
Okay. Number 1, when is a part?
Wait, Miss. I think math, right?
Yes.
Part two.
Oh, part
We
2
have part
here.
two, right?
This.
Yes.
Okay. Number 6, the paper is split into 2 equal parts. Number 7, the shape is split into 2 unequal parts. Number 8, AD has 8 marbles. Half of 8 is 4. Number 9, use this data to answer question number 9 and number 10. Triangle blank 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 is split into half, so they have to see the both of the triangles. The answer is triangle A is split into halves, and number 10, triangle B is not split into halves.
Wait, Miss, the answer?
Hmm?
What is the answer, Miss?
Number 9,
Yeah.
triangle A.
Triangle A.
Yes, is split into halves,
Oh,
and
it's
triangle
split.
B is not split into halves.
Okay, split means.
Split means they divide into 2 parts with the same exact size or amount.
Okay, Miss. For number 7, how did you get that it is unequal, Miss?
Number 7,
Unequal.
yes, number. Okay, so in here we learn about equal and equal. So in number 7, why is the answer is unequal? Because as we know that when we split two things into half, it means they must have the same size or amount, which means fair, balance. But as we can see in number 6, for example, the shape, which is this paper, we split them into 2 parts and they have the same size. Both of side they have the same size. Meanwhile, number 7, the rectangle, when we cut them or we split, this side is bigger and this side is smaller. So that's why we call that unequal, because it doesn't have the same size.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, next part B. When is a part
Can
of...
you please answer without see the answer?
Okay. Number 1, when is a part of a whole called a half? A part of a whole called a half when we split them into 2 parts, 2 equal parts. Number 2, what can you do to make a half by folding a paper? We can make a half by folding a paper by folding them into 2 equal parts. Number 3, what is half of 6? The half of 6 is 3. Number 4, what is the half of 4 flowers? The half of 4 flowers is 2 flowers. Number 5, 15 pairs are divided equally into 2 bags. How many pairs are in each bag? There are 7 pairs in each bag.
Okay, Miss. I also get the question from book.
Okay, now I open the book.
No, Miss, because you, yeah, I want to ask about the split for number 8, but you have explained about it.
Okay.
So, what is half of 4 flower? I think the question is looks like this. There are flower,
Yes.
and then what is half for 4 flowers?
Okay, there are 4.
Yeah.
So we want to split them into the same amount. Okay, in here, beside we learn about splitting with shape, with things, object. Now we also learn about how do we make a half with number of object. So if you ask me about there are 4 flowers and then we want to make we want to split it into the same amount. So the easiest part to learn about half is we can ask the student to use their fingers. If we still can reach the number, which is only 10 is the maximum. So if 4, it's easy because we can make 4 and then we split to our fingers. For example, like can you make 4 fingers and then you split them into equal number? So the student will, we can make into 2 groups, like the right hands and left hands. If right hands has 2, which means the left hand also will have 2. So Yes, the half of 4 is 2 because we can split them into equal amount by using our hands, our fingers, or using the um, number line. So
Mathe-
that's how we can find the half of 4
Okay,
flowers.
thank you for your explanation, Miss. Matematika, Miss.
Oke, part B matematika nomor 1 antara depa dengan hasta. Manakah satuan pengukuran yang lebih panjang? Antara depa dengan hasta, satuan pengukuran yang lebih panjang adalah depa. Nomor 2, apa cara yang kamu lakukan untuk mengetahui jarak antara dua pohon? Cara yang bisa dilakukan untuk mengetahui jarak antara dua pohon dengan menggunakan langkah. Nomor 3, tuliskan cara yang benar untuk mengukur panjang sebuah benda menggunakan stick ice cream. Cara yang benar untuk mengukur panjang menggunakan stick ice cream adalah harus disusun dengan rapat, tidak tertimpa ataupun miring stick ice cream. Nomor 4, Karen mengukur jarak dari ruang tamu menuju kamar tidur dan dapur. Ke kamar tidur sejauh 15 langkah dan ke dapur sejauh 20 langkah. Maka jarak manakah yang lebih dekat? Jarak yang lebih dekat adalah ke kamar tidur. Nomor 5, Anwar membeli rautan dan penggaris. Panjang rautan adalah 3 penjepit kertas dan panjang penggaris adalah 9 penjepit kertas. Benda manakah yang lebih pendek? Benda yang lebih pendek adalah rautan.
Oke, Miss. Antara satu hasta dan satu jengkal, mana yang lebih panjang, Miss?
Satu hasta.
Antara satu jengkal dengan satu depa?
Satu depa tentu lebih panjang.
Antara satu depa dengan satu hasta?
Satu depa.
Baik, Miss. Now we turn to book, Miss.
Okay.
Okay, Miss. I would like to ask you about the book for math. So the next week we learn about equal and unequal parts, right?
Yes.
There are also part of practice. Maybe you can explain about the practice first.
Let's here.
Yeah, you have explained about this. Maybe number 1.
Number 1.
Yeah.
That's we use stickers in the book.
Okay. What will you do about this to the students?
Sorry.
What will you do for the students by this?
Okay, for this one, we have stickers in the back of the book, so they have to choose which things are equal parts and which things are unequal parts. So they divide them, like put in this box if it's equal parts and put in this box if it's unequal parts. So it depends on the sticker in the book.
Can you move it to the top? No.
This one
To
again.
yeah. How about this, Miss?
This one. Okay, so in here, the student need to draw the line to cut the shape into equal parts. As we know that we have this shape and this shape. How do we tell the student to split the shape into equal parts? The easiest part is for this one, you have to find the corner of the shape at first. The corner of the shape of this triangle is in here. And then you make the line and you find the middle of the shape from the shortest line of the shape, which means this is the shortest line. And then they have to make the line into the middle of the shape like this. If we see this is the middle, so they need to make the line like this. So if they can draw this correctly, they will find it equal parts like this. So by make this line, they can split the triangle into two equal parts. If same like this, if this one, they need to find the corner of the shape too, which means this, and then they make the line into this part. So this part and this part has the same size in the shape.
Okay, Miss. Okay, you have explained about the shape, Miss. Because next week we also learn about numbers to
Yes.
split number. Please
Yes.
explain about number 2.
Okay, because next week we also find half of a number of objects. So we we will talk about objects and the number, or the amount of the object. So in here in the book, we have the example. Like this, Eddie has 8 marbles, which is we use number here, 8 marbles. So we want to split the Eddie's marble into 2 equal parts. How do we split them? Of course, we will, if if in this Eddie needs bags, so we will tell the student, if we need bags, for example, this is the bags, and each bags you have to put the same number of marble, which is 8 marble. How do you do this? Maybe you, the easiest way, maybe you can put 1 marble to the left and right bags, 2, 3, 4, stop. If you already find the total of number is 8 for each bag, so you already find it. You know how to split them into equal parts. So one bag consists of 4 marbles, and one more bag consists of 4 marbles too. So this is the easiest way. But we also will tell the student how, if the number like no need using the bags or something like that. For example, like what is the half of 6? How do you find it? We can tell the student, you can use your fingers, like make your hands into 2 groups. This is the group 1, group 2, and then you make 6. For example, you need to split it. It means these hands you need to make the same number of fingers with these hands. What numbers can make 6 for both hands? So maybe the student will, oh, if this one, so the left hand is 1, 2, this 2, this 2, and this 3, this 3. If we count them together, all together, it's 6. So this group 3 fingers, this group 3 fingers. So we can use the fingers to help the student how to find half in number.
Okay, Miss, thank you for your explanation. Next week, we also have a STEM project.
Yes.
Have you shared the script to the student, Miss?
On Monday, Miss. We will share the script on Monday.
Yeah, Miss.
Yes.
When is the project, Miss?
Thursday.
Yeah, I hope the student can memorize it.
Yes.
Because I have told you to share it in.
Yes, on Friday. On Friday, there's so much thing to do on Friday, so we miss it. Maybe we will share it on Monday.
Okay, how about the proofs, Miss? How about the proofs?
The proofs, we need magnets, and then some of the magnetic material and non-magnetic materials. For the magnetic material, we need paper clips, nails, paper clips and nails. For the non-magnetic material, we need like rubber bands, we need a pencil, and then like plastic ruler. So we need that material, that proofs.
So the purpose of
the project. The purpose of the project, of course, the student will understand how to see the magnetic material and non-magnetic material. They can understand, oh, this thing are magnetic material because the magnet attract the things. Meanwhile, this is a non-magnetic material because the magnet cannot attract the things.
maybe you also can focus to metal, Miss, because some metal also not magnetic material, right?
Yes.
In the class, when I go to class, I think there are many students get a misconception about metal.
Yes, actually we have explained like the metals that can attract the magnet only made from iron and steel. Some metals like gold, jewelry, like aluminum foil, they cannot attract.
Okay, Miss, we also have a aluminum foil.
Yes, aluminum foil as the proof.
Okay, Miss, I think that's all. Now we turn to vocabulary list. Part B, Miss.
Okay.
Computer. Okay, Miss.
Number 1, computer. What should we do if we have a problem? The answer is we solve the problem with a small step. Number two, when do we need to follow steps or an algorithm? We need to follow the steps when we have a problem. Number three, when do we break a problem into small step? We break a problem into small step when we want to solve the problem, or when the problem is big or hard, so it's easier to solve it. Number four, what can we do to solve a problem well? We can solve a problem well by following the steps or algorithm carefully. Number five, where are codes used? Codes are used in computers.
Codes are used in?
Computers.
Okay, Miss. Vocabulary list, Miss. Math. Equal.
Equal, same size or amount. So equals means two things or more that has the same size or amount or number, that they are exactly the same with each other.
Unequal.
Unequal, not the same size. It means the two things or more that has not the same size or amount, so they are different from each other.
Half.
Whole,
Half.
half, one of two parts. So half is the one of two parts that is divided into two equal parts equally.
Whole.
Whole is complete and not divided. So whole is a complete thing that is not divided into two parts. So it is a full one object.
Split.
Split is split is divide into parts. So split means when we want to divide two things or one things into equal part or unequal parts to see the half.
Computer. Worry.
Worry is feeling a bit scared. Worry is the condition when we feel a bit scared of, like we think about something bad might happen to us.
Solve.
Solve is find the answer. So solve is when you find the answer of your problem to solve it. For example, like finishing a puzzle or finishing a math question correctly.
Splitting.
Split, break into parts. So splitting is a break a thing into two parts. So they will have the same size or amount.
Okay, I think that's all, Miss. Thank you for your explanation.
Thank you, Miss.